Hi, my name is John. I'm the founder of Window Cleaning Solutions. I just wanted to take a few minutes today to talk about our roof cleaning options and the different approaches that we use to clean your roof. Typically, when we clean a roof, we do what's called soft washing or chemical roof cleaning. We use a low pressure chlorine rinse to remove dirt, debris, and mold from shingle, clay tile, even shaker roofs. There are some instances where there are concrete tiles that we do use the appropriate high pressure techniques, but those are not our standard approach to cleaning roofs because a lot of times high pressure washing can damage tile, strip shingles of granules, and basically cause you a lot of issues. There are many vendors that think that chlorine also can cause many issues such as destruction of plants and if not used properly, also damaging of metal objects around the house. But that can easily be mitigated by just rinsing and pre-washing those surfaces to be sure that they are not affected by the chlorine. And in our experience, chlorine is 100% safe and is by far the most effective way to both disinfect and the mold from your roof in your home, as well as keeping it away for as long as possible. Whereas if you're only using water and you're not using steam, really you're not killing the mold, and it will be much more likely to grow back much faster. So that's why we highly recommend using a chlorine disinfectant rinse, and that's exactly what we'll do when we come out to your home. So if you would like us to give you an estimate, give us a call, 561-293-3117, and we'll come out, take a quick walk around, and let you know exactly what we can do for you. Once again, this is John with Window Cleaning Solutions. Hope you're having a great day.